Get ready for MAFDOMiNUS' Godzillathon! Godzilla, Mothra, and King Ghidorah, giant monsters, all out attack. Jesus fucking Christ, what kind of title is that? That's one goddamn long title. But anyways, so, Godzilla, I'm not saying that again. GMK. Yeah, let's just call this GMK from now on. GMK has got to be one of the weirdest, yet most fun and best Godzilla movies ever made. I mean, despite the fact that this movie is pretty weird, it's got a lot of good things about it. Aside from all the characters, the mythical plot which adds a lot of new things to the table, GMK has to have one of the weirdest origins for Godzilla. I mean, Godzilla is a mutated reptile in previous movies, but in this movie, he is the manifestation of World War II soldiers angry at Japan and... Okay, so basically Godzilla is a ghost in this movie. And that's a pretty weird origin story for Godzilla, but hey, I don't mind it. He's causing a lot of destruction. One thing I love about this movie is the fact that you actually get to see the destruction the kaiju make. You see people getting hurt and stuff. So not only does this make this movie dark, but it puts up a little bit more perspective on the human beings. Because it really does show that in this movie, Godzilla is truly evil. He shows no mercy. But you want to know what's weird? It's the fact that Baragon's in this movie, but Baragon isn't even in the title. I mean, come on, couldn't they have room for, you know, one more? But it doesn't matter, because in this movie, Godzilla just takes on everyone. He's just an absolute badass in this movie. And you know what's even weirder than the Baragon not being in the title thing? It's the fact that King Ghidorah is a good guy in this movie. Yeah, that's like if Joker was the good guy in a Batman movie. Seriously, this movie is all kinds of weird, but it's so good that it doesn't matter how different it is, it's executed so well, unlike most movies. Star Wars The Last Jedi. So, yeah, despite the fact that this movie is weird and very distant, it's still very fun and overall a good movie.